So, I've been thinking, why go always with those simple and old status names like in progress or blocked? They are so boring. I know, let's spice it up with magnificent status names like pending but sort of previously approved or progressing nicely but not really. Oh, yeah, that's perfect, isn't it? Everyone will know exactly what that means. And remember, for workflow status names, the more ambiguous and longer, the better. In review for final approval, except maybe not. Great! That sounds pretty clear to me. And thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Jira tips nobody asked for.